Story time.
A mystery unfurls in the heart of the woods. Fingers tremble with wonder. The glowing seed pulses like a heartbeat. Eager footsteps echo. A sparked friendship awaits. Willingness to explore dances in his gaze. Wisdom waits in silence. A voice drifts carrying warnings. Wishes weave a fragile tapestry. Happiness involves more than desire. Quickened breaths replace the still air. A plan forms, a garden of dreams anchored in selflessness, each acorn gathered, a symbol of their promise. Transformation beneath the moonlight. Nature awakens, enchanted. Beauty blossoms, yet beneath the surface the heart beats cautiously. The air thickens, tension crackling. Nature's fury looms, a fragile peace dances on the edge of despair. Resolve ignites. He digs deep within himself, roots intertwining with purpose, every flower planted, a lifeline to the future. Silence replaces chaos, a collective gasp. Eyes widen at the beauty born from a single wish. Gratitude drips like rain. Joy ignites in shared moments. Hearts unite amidst petals and laughter, a community reborn through selflessness. Side by side, silence speaks volumes. Shadows lengthen, yet warmth envelops them. Friendship, a bond stronger than magic. A seed once small now cradles profound stories. Life intertwines, vibrant yet delicate. Hope takes root, anchored in selflessness. As stars blink overhead, dreams linger in petals. In their hearts they
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.